kids, and welcome to today's session. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Children, today we will talk about the topic, the alphabet. Now, we all remember our ABCD? Quickly, revise with me all the letters in the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now, if you count these letters from A to Z, they are 26. So, there are 26 letters in the alphabet. Now, if I want to make a word boy, B for boy, we all remember. Now, which letters I want to make a word boy? I need B, I need O, and I need Y. When I combine these three letters, I end up writing boy. So, the alphabet is a group of letters that help us to form words, to make words. For example, if your name is Ria, then which letters you need to write Ria? To form this word Ria, you need letter R, you need letter I, you need letter Y, you need letter A. Then when you combine these four letters, you make a word Ria. So, there are 26 letters in the alphabet that we combine to form words, different words. So, today in this session, we'll talk about these 26 letters in the alphabet. So, if you look here, there is a warm-up. How many letters are there in the alphabet? You will tick 26. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. Now, there are two ways to write these letters. Which two ways? Capital letters and small letters. When you write your name in your notebook, what if your name is, suppose your name is Rohan Sharma, how you write it? You write it, if you're writing in your notebook, you write it like this, Rohan Sharma. So if you look here, this is the capital letter, these two, and these all are the small letters. So, I am writing letters in two ways, capital letters and small letters. So, there are two ways to write these letters, capital letters and small letters. If you look here, A is written here in capital letter, small a, capital B, small b. Similarly, all the letters here are in capital and here all the letters are in small. So, we call them capital letters and small letters. Now, if I give you a task, write boy in capital letters and in small letters, how you will write it? The word is boy. I need three letters from the alphabet, which is B, O, Y. One I have to write, first I have to write in capital. So, I will write B, O, Y. Now, I have to write these three letters of the word boy in small. So, I will write it as B, O, Y. So, this is the difference between capital and small letters, only the writing difference. Now, next we talk about vowels and consonants. We spoke about that there are 26 letters in the English alphabet. Now, we have 5 vowels. Say with me, vowels, consonants and 21 consonants. Each letter has a sound of its own. In previous classes, we talk about that each letter has certain pronunciation. They are pronounced in a certain way. So, these vowels are, now the 5 vowels are A, E, I, O, U. These are the 5 vowels. Now the remaining 21 letters in the alphabet are consonants. These are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So these remaining 21 letters which are left, 5 are consonants from 26 letters, remaining 21 letters are consonants. Children, this concept is very, very important. Now here, look at the pictures and fill in the letters to name the given pictures. This is a picture of a boy, B-Y. What you will write here? You will write O. Here also O. Here you will write U. Here you will write G to complete this quote. So children, in today's session, let us just quickly recap what we have studied today. Today we talk about the world of alphabet. Now there are 26 letters in the alphabet. Alphabet are important because they help us to form words. Next, we talk about capital letters and small letters. When we write letters, we can write letters in two ways, which is capital and small. Next, we talk about there are 5 vowels and 21 consonants. So children, this was about today's session. I hope you understood this session well. With this is the end. Thank you.